Hello children, how are you? We hope that you all are fit and fine.
Children, your teachers have planned a surprise for you today. Do you know why? Because Children's Day is coming.
Preeti ma'am, why do we celebrate Children's Day?
We celebrate Children's Day on 14th November every year as the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji.
Oh yes, I know. He was the first Prime Minister of India and we also call him Chacha Nehru because he loved children very much.
Yes, and he was also very fond of red rose. He always kept it in his pocket.
So children, are you ready for the surprise? Let's have fun together.
काश कहीं ऐसा हो जाए सपने अपने सच हो जाए काश कहीं ऐसा हो जाए सपने अपने सच हो जाए बादलों की छाँव में सपनों के इस गाँव में बादलों की छाँव में सपनों के नन्हा सा कोई एक फूल खिलाए काश कहीं ऐसा हो जाए सपने अपने सच हो जाए बादलों से होती जूस की बारिश आइसक्रीम के पर्वत बन जाते पेड़ों पे उगते टॉफीज और चॉकलेट्स हम सब मिलकर मजे से खाते दूध की नदियाँ बहती जाए मछली बन हम तैरते जाए बादलों की छाँव में सपनों के इस गाँव में बादलों की छाँव में सपनों के इस गाँव में नन्हा सा कोई एक फूल खिलाए काश कहीं ऐसा हो जाए सपने अपने सच हो जाए नील गगन की सैर को जाए पंख फैलाकर उड़ते जाए तितली बनकर बगिया में हम फूलों के सब रंग चुराए इंद्रधनुष के झूले में परियों संग झूला झुलाए काश कहीं ऐसा हो जाए सपने अपने सच हो जाए बादलों की छाँव में सपनों के इस गाँव में नन्हा सा कोई एक फूल खिलाए काश कहीं ऐसा हो जाए सपने अपने सच हो जाए काश कहीं ऐसा हो जाए सपने अपने सच हो जाए काश कहीं ऐसा हो जाए सपने अपने सच हो जाए
Happy Children's Day! I'm sure that you all have enjoyed the performance by your teachers. Kids, do you know what is so special about Children's Day this year?
It's time for double celebration. because Diwali is also falling on the same day. But kids, this time we have to be extra careful while celebrating Diwali due to COVID-19.
So follow all the safety measures and maintain social distancing. Now let's watch a small role play on Diwali.
Diwali is coming.
Yes,
We are so excited. Let's go to the market.
let's go to Mama and talk to her.
Okay.
Mama, Diwali is coming. Let's go to the market. I want to buy candles, diyas and rangoli colors.
Please, Mama, let's go to the market.
Okay, babies, we will go to the market. But as it is pandemic, we should follow some precautions.
Which precautions, Mama?
Okay, I'll tell. Wear your mask. Okay, and we will take a sanitizer with us.
Okay.
And you have to maintain the social distance in the market.
Okay, Mama.
Okay. Now you call your chachi to bring the mask.
Chachi, please bring our mask.
Okay, we are going to the market.
Yes.
Now take your mask.
Thank
Babies,
you.
whenever we will enter the shop, you will see so many things, but you will not touch anything in the shop.
Okay.
Let's go to the market together.
Happy Diwali. Welcome to Shivam Creations.
Thank you.
Please sanitize your hands
Thank you.
and stand on the mats. Please maintain social distance. Welcome all. I have so many things. What do you want to buy?
Mama and Chachi, I want to buy dolls, diya and rangoli color.
Baby, we will buy only earthen diyas.
Okay.
I have some gifts also. Do you want to buy some for your relatives and friends?
Mama and Chachi, let's buy some gifts for the relatives.
No, beta, this time we are not going to buy gifts.
Why?
Beta, due to COVID-19, this time we are not going anywhere to exchange the gifts with friends and relatives. We will wish them through video call.
Okay.
Beta, do you want to buy some crackers?
Yes. Mommy, I want to buy crackers.
No,
Please,
beta.
Mummy, please.
Relax. Listen to me. Crackers produce smoke. Crackers are not good for our health.
Yes, Mommy. My teacher told me crackers cause air pollution and noise pollution.
Very good. Please give me this red color light, 10 diyas, 1 packet of rangoli color, and a packet of candles. Okay. Wow, you are packing the things in paper bag. Yes, I use paper bag as paper bag is very useful for our environment.
Okay.
See, I have brought a jute bag with me. Keep all these things in my jute bag. Okay.
Thank you.
And baby, you want a doll also?
Yes.
Please take this.
Thank you.
How much I have to pay?
Rupees 500 please.
Okay. Take this.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Please come again.
Happy
Time to celebrate Diwali.
मेरे तुम्हारे सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली सारे सितारे उसके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली मेरे तुम्हारे सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली Diwali. We wish you all a very happy and safe Diwali.
So children, I hope that you got the message given by your teachers that how to celebrate Diwali by keeping yourself and your family members safe.
May this festival of lights fill your life with happiness. We wish you a very happy Diwali. Stay home, stay safe.